In my book, Influential Internal Communication, I talk a lot about chaos. I talk about chaos inside organisations. And when I refer to that, I'm not talking about people running around in a state of panic. I'm talking about chaos that can be controlled. Chaos can be things like high turnover of staff, people being off on stress, teams not getting on at all and there being lots of friction. There's lots of causes of chaos. If left unattended, it can become toxic. And not addressing that chaos will lead us into states where we won't know how to get out of it, feeling overwhelmed, not feeling like you're making progress, and just things feeling incredibly chaotic. So in the book, I talk about ways to move through that. I talk about the role of the field model to help you diagnose the root cause of the issues. And I talk about how you can fix that and move forwards. Chaos isn't about people running around and there being a huge disaster. It can often be small things that build over time. It shouldn't be ignored, and I assure you there are ways to find control and find patterns that can allow you to bring a sense of calm. Influential internal communication is all about helping you streamline your corporate communications to allow you to create an engaging and an efficient organisation. I hope you have a chance to read it, and I look forward to hearing your feedback.